Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Last day here at this spot. I got a stone stuck on my shoe. But anyway, last day here at this spot. We're going for a dip. Well, I went for a dip yesterday, as you guys could see. Davina and Donald never did. Judah is up there sleeping. So we're going down. And our goal today is to go like a bit deeper out. So I just went in the shallow parts there. I want to go deeper out where the water is clear and nice. I'm not the biggest of swimmers, but as I've said before in some videos way back, I think if you're doing like travel vlogging or whatever the case is, you need to improve on certain things, you know, to get better in the water, because there's places that I want to travel to in the future. You get the idea. Alright, so we're down on the platform. What I'm going to do is to try to bring the drone up and try to let the drone follow me. I've never really used that feature before, so I'm going to let the drone try to follow us, because I won't of course have the controller because it's not waterproof. So let's see how that works. Alright guys, so that whole drone thing, long story short, that didn't work out. But we are currently at MargaritaVille. We're heading there to get some drinks. Judah and I are going to another Airbnb.
I'm done with liquor, bro.
Huh?
I am done with liquor now.
Wasted. This dude was wasted yesterday. I've never seen him so messed up in my life.
I've never been so messed up in my life.
Yo, last night, yesterday, I drank 3/4 bottles of Malibu by myself. Yo, that liquor, I don't know, I don't like liquor in general, but it was just sweet and flavorful with the Pepsi. Yo, it's a vibe.
I was like, yo, I mean, my nigga woke me up.
Alright guys, so we just got up to the top table here. You see me? So yeah, it's a vibe. I like up here. You can look down on everything. Of course, I was watching football like for a bit. I just saw a subscriber just now, which was cool. Went to their family, and we're trying to get something to drink. Yep.
And then Donna opened the menu and he's like, "Where's the water?"
I'm sure most of you guys know MargaritaVille and you know the menu already.
Whoa, whoa.
That's a quick basic idea of what the prices could be like, but I'm sure you can go on Instagram or go online and see everything you need.
She good, me just messaged her. Apparently her friends saw us at the place last night. That nigga tried it though. Yo, he said here Eugene. So we got the top of this, you know, the car. Yeah. He was like, yo, you see what I'm saying the first time?
That's the virgin one. No worry yourself. Just drink when you're going to give it the blend of alright?
Okay, thank you.
So we all decided to get the glasses that were souvenirs and refillable. I think you spend like $9 to refill each time. And he just got some expensive water.
Really? $5.
I thought it was like some
gem
yeah.
Fiji.
So did I.
MargaritaVille. It's probably
License
water.
to chill.
For $5.
$5. Expiry date on it and shit.
Right.
There's an expiry date on the water.
I wanted to have milk.
Right.
Alright, so she's getting her cup as well, or the clock.
No.
The clock.
Yeah, no. I'm getting this
I wanted
cup.
the clock, but
You're getting that.
Yeah,
Judah wanted this
the
cup,
blender
You're
cup.
getting that.
but she got my cup instead, so I'll just get her cup.
And then we'll switch.
Yeah, and we'll switch it.
This one.
I'll call you that one.
So that's the
Let me taste it, I mean.
And this one is
You ready for the meals? You want to make sure it tastes nice?
Yeah. I don't like it.
Oh, really?
I told them a while ago.
Why not? What's wrong?
I don't know.
Alright, so big old cup. This is
It just tastes
32 ounces.
Color. When I get a lemonade.
Yeah, I don't like the drinks here, to be very honest. Davine said her drink tastes blue.
It tastes very blue. It tastes like food coloring on ice. That's what it tastes like, with a little bit of vodka.
And Judah sent her drink back.
As usual.
As usual.
Really?
You're the picky one.
Yeah. You remember,
so we must pay for something we don't like.
Nobody's saying that. We're just saying that you're the one. Stop being so miserable. But anyway, this really isn't that good either. But again, I guess you're paying for the vibe. I don't know.
And now it's time to say goodbye. So long,
Yo.
Next time, bro.
Thank you for inviting us to this.
Man, thank you for coming.
Thank you guys so much, by the way.
Alright guys, so we are at our new stay right now. Yeah, MargaritaVille was one of those things. What I did like though, the ability to get a souvenir cup, because I've never been there before, so it's great getting that. Well, not the one in Ochi, I don't recall ever going to one, but yeah. And they gave us like tote bags or whatever the case is, so that was cool. But the drinks wise, as I said before, it's not really my thing. Maybe it's your cup of tea. For me, it's a bit too sweet. But yeah, we're at our new stay. I'll show you guys. I think it's cute. I like it. So it's a tree house. That's what it is. When I try to book places, I like booking unique and affordable places that I've never experienced before. That's just my vibe, personally. So yeah, I'll try to go up there and then give you guys a tour.
So far, don't take for the coffee, get them again. You're